Meaning of hands-free.
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 Hands-free. Hands-free refers to a state or condition in which an activity can be performed without the use of one's hands. This often involves the use of technology, such as a hands-free phone or voice-activated device, that allows people to carry out tasks without physically interacting with them. The term is commonly used in the context of driving, where hands-free technology is used to reduce distractions and promote safety on the road. Overall, hands-free technology enables people to accomplish tasks more efficiently and conveniently while minimizing physical exertion and enhancing ease of use.